If you're in product development, you know that monitoring real-time signals is both essential and notoriously difficult. The industry is filled with tools that promise insight but deliver noise. Today, I'm going to show you why traditional dashboard monitoring fails and how a scientific approach to alerting can transform your product reliability. You'll learn exactly how to move from reactive firefighting to proactive system governance. Let's start with why this problem is so pervasive. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. In the product industry, systems are becoming increasingly complex. Microservices, distributed architectures, and cloud-native deployments mean that critical signals are scattered across dozens of components. Generic monitoring tools treat all data points equally, flooding teams with alerts for every minor fluctuation. This leads to alert fatigue, where important warnings are buried in trivial notifications. The real challenge isn't just collecting data. It's understanding what that data means in the context of your specific product's behavior. So, how do we solve this? The technical method behind effective alerting hinges on establishing dynamic baselines. Instead of using static thresholds, which are often arbitrary, we need to understand normal behavior for each system metric over time. This involves statistical analysis to account for daily, weekly, and seasonal patterns. Key concepts include anomaly detection algorithms that differentiate between expected variance and true outliers. A common misconception is that more alerts mean better monitoring. In reality, precision is far more valuable than volume. By focusing on signal relevance, we can ensure that every alert demands attention. Now, let's talk about the software solution. MonitorAlerts. This platform ingests data from all your sources, application logs, infrastructure metrics, business KPIs. It continuously calculates these dynamic baselines, learning what's normal for your environment. When a metric deviates significantly from its baseline, MonitorAlerts evaluates the severity using multivariable analysis. Is it a lone spike or part of a correlated event? The system provides a clear audit trail showing why an alert was triggered, which is crucial for compliance. Additionally, you can model different scenarios to test how changes might affect your alerting strategy. Let me walk you through a hypothetical example. Imagine a SaaS product with variables like user sign-up rate, API latency, and database error rate. Under normal conditions, these metrics have a predictable relationship. MonitorAlerts would detect if, for instance, API latency increases while signups drop, even if neither metric crosses a static threshold alone. This correlation might indicate a performance issue affecting user experience. The measurable outcome? Your team gets an early warning before customers start complaining, allowing for a fix during low traffic hours. When it comes to compliance and reporting, MonitorAlerts generates clear, stakeholder-ready reports. These documents detail alert history, response times, and resolution status, all in language that non-technical executives can understand. They align with regulatory frameworks by providing documented evidence of due diligence in system monitoring. This transparency builds trust across your organization. In summary, MonitorAlerts gives you precise, actionable alerts based on your product's unique behavior. It reduces noise, speeds up incident response, and provides the documentation needed for modern compliance standards. To see how MonitorAlerts can safeguard your product,